Have you ever tried to open a particular website and all of a sudden you were denied access? Have you ever seen a situation where you are supposed to open a high-paying website that could bring you good money and then you are asked that the country you are in, you cannot open it? I have brought a solution for you today. If you have a site you want to open, be you a Nigerian, Philippines, Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, or anybody from Africa or Asia, I have the solution to it. I will show you a step-by-step on how to go about it on your phone or laptop. Just by downloading this browser on your phone or laptop. One thing about it is no investment is required. There's no buying. Nothing is even required of you. All you need to do is just to download it on your phone or laptop. And that is all. Let's dive right into it. Where you need to go, just go to your Google Play Store. Download epicbrowser. What you need to do, install it and launch it. And it will bring you to this interface. epicbrowser is a Google Chrome extension. You can use it on your laptop. But for the sake of this video, I'm using a phone, a mobile phone. So, what you need to do, you can see it everywhere. You can see everywhere. You can see there's nothing now. Click on mobile extension. I click on mobile extension. You can see it. Install ad block. This extension block ads and tracking script here. It significantly enhances your security and privacy by blocking trackers and malvertising. It takes just a few seconds to install. So what it does is they will want to track your IP address. Ad block will block it. So number one, we install it. So to block any tracker that may want to track our IP address. Now we are coming down. It said encrypted proxy. This extension hides your IP address and your location. You will appear to be in the country you select. Epic's encrypted proxy is essentially a VPN for your browser. What we need to do is we click on install. Now click on back. Click on back. You can see now that before there was nothing like this. Now trackers block. No tracker is seeing us. It is 0 here. Now encrypted proxy. If you want to really enter into any country, now we can access any website. But if maybe the website is looking for people from Germany, USA, Canada, France, like that, and no other IP address, you can just click on this place. Just click on it. You can see it. You can see now proxy location Germany. Click on this place. I click on Germany. You can see USA East, USA West, UK, Germany, France, Canada, Netherlands, Singapore. Now you can access these countries when you turn it on. But right now, as we have installed our ad blocks and proxy stuff, we can access any website, whether from Nigeria, from US, from Bangladesh, Philippines, all those third world countries. You can access any website. Please, if you like this video, turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below. I'm going to give you an assignment and I want you to tell me your experience in the comment section. There's a website that will not take Nigerians or somebody from Bangladesh or Philippines. Now, the name of the website is this. Test broker. Test broker. Test broker. This is it. Test broker. They will not take Nigeria after you are done registering. If they want to take you, they will deny you access. So I want you to use this as an assignment. Try test broker on Google Chrome or any other browser, and also compare it with test broker. You will see that on Google Chrome they will deny you, but on epicbrowser they will easily accept you. Please, if you find value in my video, please, I'm pleading, support my YouTube channel by subscribing to my YouTube channel and to get more valuable videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.